Getting ready to turn 50,000 miles on my '09 Aprilia RSV factory. Just before the Caldecott Tunnel. And there it is, 50,000. Okay. Turned 50 today. Yep, that's right. Oh, not me. I've been 50 for a couple of years. I'm talking about this bad boy right here. This is my 2009 Aprilia RSV 1000R factory. Just turned 50,000 miles on the way home from work, just before the Caldecott Tunnel here out here in hot Contra Costa County in the SF Bay Area. Just wanted to make the video and let everybody know that these bikes are reliable as hell. Everybody's saying they suck, but this bike's given me 50,000 miles, and I've ridden every mile but 6 because I got it with the 6 miles on the clock. But this bike has given me absolutely 0 problems. Not one mechanical problem, not one electrical problem, nothing. So that's it. I just want to let you guys know that this bike, aside from being beautiful, is great. That's about all time. See ya.